Greetings everyone and welcome if you're new here. My name is Corinna from the Boho Abode, and today I have my monthly wellness unboxing video to share with you. And this month is going to be a little bit different from last month. I do still have my Young Living Essential Rewards order and my Grove order, but I also have two Goddess Provisions boxes to unbox as well. So I'm going to start with my Young Living because I believe that's going to be the smallest order out of all of these. So this month it's just come in a little bag. It's not a box this month. And if you don't know what the Young Living Essential Rewards program is, I will sum it up real quickly for you. It is like a loyalty program where you buy on a monthly basis, you get discounts and points back on your purchases in exchange for being a loyal buyer, and then you can redeem those points on one-time order purchases. The minimum is 50 PV, and it's usually PV equals $1, but there are some things where it's different. So it's 50 PV a month. And I'm doing the Essential Rewards order as a way of building up my oils collection, and I use my oils all the time, so it's also turning into a way of just replenishing what I've used. I do use the Young Living Go, so it covers shipping for the year. So yeah, this is what my oils came in this month, and that just protects them from moving around. The first oil is a new one for me, and it is RC, and that is what that looks like. I picked up RC because I used Raven from the starter kit all the time. It is so good this time of year. My kiddo snores a ton. It keeps him from snoring. We all enjoy it for opening up our sinuses for the sicknesses that come into the house this time of year. And so I wanted to try RC this time because it is similar to Raven, and I've heard a lot of good things about Raven, so I got the 15 ml bottle on that. And the other two are the 15 ml of the Citrus Fresh and 15 ml lemon. So lemon, I do a couple of drops in a big glass of water every morning, and that's what I drink first thing in the morning. And because I do that, I do run out of this every couple of months. I do like mixing thieves with something citrusy in the diffuser, like I have going back there. I have thieves and cedarwood in it right now, but I do like something citrusy with the thieves, and because I do use this so often, I picked up a replacement Citrus Fresh because I've run out of this from the starter kit now, and I do like this with the thieves. So that was a lot on that. So yes, this month, the three oils I got was the lemon, the Citrus Fresh, and the RC. All right, so that is everything for Young Living. Let's go ahead and do the Grove, since that's what I usually have with my monthly orders. And I'll cut this box open. Grove, if you don't know what Grove is a natural, better for you, better for the planet online store. You can do the monthly orders, which is what I've been doing, and you customize whatever you want in the box. I think it's a $30 minimum, but if you meet certain dollar amounts, you get free items. You can also get a free starter kit kind of thing with them. I will leave links to all that down below. So I think there's like a plastic swaps free kit with your first $25 purchase. There's a home care kit, and I think there might be a baby one too, but I will link all that down below. So on the top, I have that, and this month I did not get an awful lot because I still have a ton. So I picked up, if you saw my last video, and if you haven't, I will link it down below if you are interested, but I picked up one of these Schmidt's Activated Charcoal Multi-Pack Essentials, and I mentioned in that video, I've been having a hard time finding this deodorant, and it's my all-time favorite deodorant. It keeps me drier than any other natural deodorant. It's the only thing that controls a stink. And it also comes with the natural charcoal bar soap and the toothpaste. So I picked up 4 more of those kits to keep on hand. I'm just going to stick these in the linen closet in the hallway, and as things start disappearing, I'm going to start swapping these into our regular rotation. So yeah, that was that was that item. And then there's one other item that I picked up from Grove this month, and I actually don't have a lot of, that's everything. I actually don't have a lot of cleaning supplies because I find that they just break, and I really hate all of the plastic waste going into landfills. A lot of it can't be recycled. So what I've started doing with my monthly Grove orders is picking up some of their more sustainable replacement head bamboo kind of sets. And so this is the toilet brush with replaceable head. So you can see that there. This is metal, it feels like. And so you get your stick, and then this part's metal, this part is bamboo, and the heads on it are replaceable. So you can see here where it just clicks in. There is one in here. I'm looking at it to see how to get it out. Here. There we go. So here's the head, and it fits nicely in this attractive container here, and it has the Grove logo on it. But yes, I like that when it's time to, when this gets gross and it's not as easy to use anymore, you just replace this part. So it's less waste. And I've picked up a few of their other items as well, like a tub and tile scrubber, a disc scrubber, and I really like, let me get that. As I was saying, and I really like them. They're very good quality. I don't mind the price of the replacement brushes, so that is that there. Very happy with it. Like how heavy this is, so it'll stay put good. All right, so that's everything for Grove. Moving on, I have two Goddess Provision boxes, and technically this is two of the same one, and I have this one here. So a little bit of a story on this one. It is opened. This one, Goddess Provisions, actually sent it to me last spring, and they contacted me, they sent it to me, and then when it was on its way, they said, hey, we need you to ship during this time frame. Well, during that week, I was going to be out of town, and this arrived the day that we were leaving. So I never got to do that. So I've actually been saving it so that I could share it once I picked up some other ones that I was looking at. So in each of these boxes, they are purple boxes, and they're branded. They're very cute boxes. You get one of these little cards with beautiful art on it, and I believe it's a different artist every month. And inside it tells you about the products that it comes with, and this is the Earth Alchemy box. It comes with a monthly mantra, and this one is, I tune into the frequency of Mama Gaia and accept the call to do more, to show my love and respect for this beautiful and abundant planet. So I'm going to set that aside. In this box, you get a few items. There is one item missing, and that's because it's in my purse. It's the Wild Canyon lip balm, and it comes in a cardboard tube. I have been using it constantly, and I've barely put a dent in it. I would highly recommend picking it up, and I will definitely be repurchasing it because, again, less plastic waste. So, all right, moving on to what is in the box. So here's what that looks like. The first item is this Mare Boomy, I think is what that says, and it is a naturally dyed shibori scarf. And so it's this really pretty fuchsia purple and kind of like a corally orange color. It's very soft. It's a very perfect spring scarf, and you could use it to tie up around your head if you wanted to. That's probably how I would most use it. I don't like things around my neck. I am hypothyroid, and it's just the swelling that I'll get on occasion makes wearing things that touch my neck very uncomfortable. But anyways, moving on. This got a little damaged because it got some water on it, but it's this Simply Straws for Every Beverage, and it is a glass straw, and it's a shorter glass straw, which is nice. I've recently got some very long ones from Grove, but for smaller cups and things, it's nice to have one that's shorter like this. And I don't think you're going to be able to see the branding on it, but there is some etched branding on it, and it does come with a perfect size cleaning brush too. So very excited to have that. This is the Natural Soy Candle, handcrafted in Old Seminole Heights Forest, lilacwillow.com. And that is what that looks like. And there we go, get the top off. Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, I wish I could have you smell that. Look how pretty that is with the little baby pine cone and leaves and little herbal bits. Smells amazing. I think Forest is the name of that scent. So if you go to check out lilacwillow.com, Natural Soy Candle, handcrafted, check out that Forest scent, 100%. Wow, that smells so good. All right, next I have a couple of stones I'll show last, but first, Light Body Creations Ground and Connect. Okay, so this is a spray called Earth Goddess by Light Body Creations, and it's crystal infused with emerald. So that's what that package looks like. Oh, sorry about that. I had a little bit of a coughing fit, so I had to stop and drink something. So a little bit about this spray and what you would do with this kind of thing. You would use this in conjunction with meditation. So you would spray this in the area, you could hold related stones or crystals, and then the combination of everything would help the whole body experience get closer to what you're trying to do with your meditation. So I am definitely going to be using this. Next item is this wild cognac sponge, and I have always wanted a cognac sponge because they are like an earth-friendlier body scrubber. They're biodegradable, they're natural material, and so that is what that looks like. Okay, down to the final items. I have this little canvas bag, and inside is this little resin crystal with some flowers. It looks like maybe some herbs or some other plant matter. And looking in our little pamphlet here, it is the Soul and Celine Floral Resin Crystal Point, and it says, add a preserved piece of nature's beauty to your altar. Discover which flower you've received and Mama Gaia's message for you at soulandceline.com/AprilGoddess. So that is very neat. I love resin encapsulated herbs and flowers. I do have some other ones in my home, so I'm very excited to have that. And finally, we have this stone, and this stone is serpentine. This stone can help you discover your true ideals and take responsibility for your life. Work with it to connect with elemental beings and as a steward of the land. All right, so that is everything that came in the Goddess Provisions April 2019 Earth Alchemy box. And another box. So I got 2 of this box because this box excited me so much, and they were having a deal. I've actually been hanging on to these since New Year's. They were having a deal on existing boxes that were still in their shop, and this one I was actually tempted to sign up for the monthly subscription to get this box. I was glad to see the deal come in for this. So opening up the box, this is what you see in it, and there are a couple of items in here I was super excited about. So I'm gonna take the biggest item out first, and that is this here. This is a moon-shaped diffuser, and I love diffusing essential oils in case you missed the beginning of this video. All right, so this is what it looks like, and it looks like a moon, of course, and it sits flat like this. It's a smaller diffuser, but I thought that it would be really great for sitting right next to the bed or on my desk, which is why I got 2 boxes, because I want it in multiple places. So inside of the box, it comes with this, as well as the cord and the, I'm not sure what these are called, but does it say? It doesn't say what this thing is called, but it comes with this thing to go with it as well. So I had to pull this out to get that box out, and this is what it looks like. It says Fierce Forward Jewelry. And inside of this pouch is a moon necklace, and it's so pretty. I love moon jewelry, and I don't have a lot of it, so I was excited to get this. And it says a crescent moon means to bring forth, create, grow, and thrive. Wear your crescent moon necklace to harness your greatness within and create from your goddess heart. So I love that. I will probably wear it all of the time. Next is a bath bomb, and honestly, I just love having these on hand. My kiddo loves to take bath bomb baths, so the more I have on hand, the better, so I actually get a chance to use it. And there's no branding on it, so looking at the card that comes with it, it says, Tub Tonics La Luna Geode Bath Bomb. Sink into a warm bath to release and surrender to the universe flow. During the next waning gibbous moon, this bath bomb features healing minerals and is scented with calming chamomile essential oil. It does have a very nice light calming scent. It's not like a really overpowering kind of smell. So that is really nice to have on hand. And speaking of the card, here's the artwork that is on this month. The artwork is always phenomenal. Like, you could definitely frame these and keep them up on the wall. The monthly mantra is, I find my flow as I tune into my rhythms, cycles, and seasons. And again, another beautiful piece of artwork there. And the information on what comes in the box. So next up we have the Moon Wisdom crystals, and these also come in a pouch. All right, there we go. So these are, you can kind of see there in the plastic, there are like gold moon phases on each of these stones, and they're smoky quartz, and it comes with the Moon Wisdom Crystals guidebook. So we can teach you how to use these in rituals. Oh, I'm dropping them. Oh, there they go. They're coming out easy. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like. They're very beautiful. They've got a nice weight to them. The moons are actually like engraved into the stone, and it's not just like a gold leaf paint on top of it that's just gonna chip right off. These are very well made. Okay, so down to the final two items. We have the Goddess Provisions Crafting Witch collaboration stickers. And these are so beautiful. I'll definitely be using these in one of my many journals. And the final item, one of the things honestly I was most excited about because I love home goods. This is the Danica Studio dish towel. There's the tag. And that is the dish towel. It's gorgeous. I freaking love the design on this. I mean, this is gonna be something that I hide from my family because I don't want them to ruin it, you know? That's close up of the design on that. So that's everything from my Moon Wisdom Goddess Provisions box, and that's going to be everything I have to unbox for my February wellness unboxing. This kind of covers wellness on a multitude of levels. You've got your spiritual wellness, you have your mental wellness, you have your physical health wellness, you have your home wellness, and all of these things just work together to give me a more better whole well feeling in life. If you're interested in any of these boxes, I will have links down below. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions for me. I would love to chat with you. And speaking about chatting with you, that is going to be everything from me today. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I can't wait to chat with you again soon. Bye.